I will show you very broad and simple steps how to make money with dropshipping in 2026. First of all, you're gonna choose a niche you want to sell. So either fashion, beauty, health, kitchen, home, jewelry, whatever it is, you choose one niche. Every niche has benefits and disadvantages. Let's say you choose fashion. Fashion, you have a high risk of the payment processing because you send a wrong sizing of the product because you're selling Chinese sizing. So all these things can happen in fashion. So you have a higher risk when doing business. So you should expect to have a higher refund rate. But if you do other niches which are more harder to sell through image ads, or you need to make some video ads, because fashion is kind of simple to sell because people just buy because they like the product because it looks good. But things like beauty or health or kitchen, there's always like a problem solving product which you need to advertise in a different way than fashion. So there's a bigger process behind it basically. After you choose the niche, you need to select a product out of this niche. Your product should be a wow product. So if someone sees the product, they should get excited because maybe they never have seen this product before, or the product is a problem solving product. And these products should also not be available anywhere or not in a lot of places. So it should be more unique. So not easy to buy if it's online or local. Like you should not compete yourself with a big brand which is already selling this product. Third, create your store. So now it comes to store creation, choosing the right name, the right colors, and how to structure your store. I have an example store here. This store is probably doing around 20 to 30k days, which is obviously very good. And by looking at this product page, you can see how simple a store doing that numbers can look like. What is important is to have a easy offer, nothing too complicated, because if it's too complicated, people will not understand it and will just leave the page. Below the product page, you have some reviews. You have a compare ad price because it's on discount. So maybe they will miss out if they don't buy now. Then you have some bullet points about the benefit of the product, about a free gift, which definitely boosts the CVR for jewelry. And also here a red button, only 5 left in stock, to give some scarcity. Below that, a size table, very simple, all the sizes. And here add to cart, good process, easy process, nothing too complicated. Here some upsells, is good, especially for the buy one get one offer because people need to buy a second ring. So in that case, they can add immediately here a second ring. Here also a free cleaning kit, which is obviously very nice, and also silicone ring, so people get nice gifts when buying. Lifetime warranty below the checkout button will definitely also increase the chance that people will click on the checkout. Below the add to cart, very nice saying when it's shipped, and also it's a fast shipping to the country where you buy from. Lifetime warranty. Here the offer. Here's some social proof that people actually wear it as well. So this is also very nice with custom packaging. So overall this store gives a branded feeling. Also here at the bottom the reviews, all with the products he is selling. Probably got these images from AliExpress and used them to put here in the review section. Here how it's made video. Obviously it's not a real video, but you can see how you can brand your store or make it branded look like if you put the right sections together. After you build a good looking store and converting store, it's important to choose a market. Stores like that usually go to the US because US is the biggest market. And also if you have momentum in the US, it's very good to scale and to keep that scale with the right strategy. There are other countries in Europe which work very good, but sometimes you need PayPal as a payment processor, or they're not as stable as the US because the audience size is way smaller. When it comes to advertising, here's the ad library of Marco Voletti. You see that this guy knows what he's doing. After Andromeda update, he's using a lot of different concepts. Here you see collage concept, here you see review concept. And of these collages, he's making iterations because they are obviously working for him. Collages are in general very good. Here again, a new concept with a close-up of the ring and with a review of a customer. If we go down, he has also some videos and also some top funnel creatives here with a text, and also testing here different variations, which is very important. Once you have something which is working, double down on that and make more out of this creative. Here you see more of these creatives. They usually get a very low CPC and also a very low CPA. And here also more videos. So for Meta, it is very important to have different type of creatives and also a lot creatives. And as you can see, he's pushing 240 active ads. He has a lot of different creatives, a lot of iterations as well, but he's following a good strategy, which allows him to scale to good numbers. And while you're running your store at high numbers, it's very important to hire your first employees, to keep a good relationship with your supplier, because sometimes if you're scaling, maybe you need help with financing the cost of goods. So it's always important to keep good relationship with all the partners you're working with. And the last stage, always track your backend sheets. If it's the scaling sheet, profit and loss sheet, any sheet, track it, especially when you're doing higher numbers. Dropshipping still works in 2026. You just to adapt what is working right now. And I can tell you that AI was never more important than it is now, because 95% of our ads are built by AI, if it's copywriting or the creative itself. If you want to know how this works more in depth, you can join our Discord, everything for free. Take a look and see you there.